Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn to Earn. Now viewers, we'll learn the special formula and the formatting on it, which is widely used in sales and normally the school colleges in most of the places where you want the percent change formula with special formatting. Now move on to the screen. Now we will open 2019 Excel and we will open our data. I have already prepared a data in which we have some quantities sold in 2022 and quantities sold in 2023. Now we will compare and find out what is the percentage change in our sales, and we also want to see the visual effect of this change. So okay, apply formula one by one and copy this formula in other cells. Keep symmetrical formatting. Now click percent button in numbers tab and make the format accordingly. See, data has changed into percentage. Now click insert tab. Now click on symbols. See, here we have some symbols here, and you can scroll down here to select geometric shapes. Now we will click two arrows one by one. See, the downward and upward, and when we will select it and copy it. Now select the entire column and click on format cells. Now on format cells, see the custom option here, and now type a special formula for yourself. First of all, paste two arrows which you have already copied from our Excel sheet, and now type formula. So mention right here before downward arrow, and after before upward arrow, type blue here or green, whatever you want. Here we will benchmark our data at 0%, so we will apply 0% on either arrows. See the formula on the screen, and now okay, see the data is according to your requirement. If we want to test this data, we can change the numbers. For example, quantity sold in 2023. If I change the number in 2023, and my data must translate the same percentages. Now guys, let me clear one thing here. The formula we are seeing here is not correct, because in increased sales they should be green. So I correct my formula here. Quantity sold in 2022 minus quantity sold in 2023 divided by quantity sold in 2022. Apply this formula to all. Now see, here we have the exact figures and picture here. Thank you again.